Gold bars, a journey from raw ore to refined beauty. Gold, the metal of royalty and symbol of wealth, is a precious commodity that has been treasured for thousands of years. While gold is found all over the world, it must be mined, refined, and crafted into bars to be sold and traded as a valuable asset. This is the story of how gold bars are made. Step 1. Mining the raw ore. The first step in the process of crafting gold bars is to extract the raw ore from the earth. This is done through a process known as mining, which involves excavating the ground to reach veins of gold-bearing rock. Mining raw ore to craft gold bars is a complex and challenging process that requires patience, skill, and a good understanding of the materials involved. Once the gold has been extracted, it is melted into bars or other shapes. This requires a great deal of heat, which is provided by a furnace. The gold is melted until it is liquid and then poured into molds to create the desired shapes. Once the gold has been cooled and solidified, it is removed from the molds and is ready for use. 2. Refining the raw ore. Refining raw ore to make gold bars is the process that has been around for centuries. It is a process that involves transforming raw ore into a pure form of gold that can be used in jewelry, electronics, and other industries. The refined process begins by crushing the raw ore into smaller pieces, which are then roasted to remove impurities such as sulfur and arsenic. This is followed by a chemical process that involves adding a mixture of chemicals such as cyanide and nitric acid to the roasted ore. The mixture dissolves the gold, leaving behind other impurities that can be removed. The next step is to use electrowinning, a process that uses an electric current to dissolve the gold from the other impurities. The gold is then deposited into a cathode, where it can be collected and molded into bars. To ensure that the gold bars produced are of the highest quality, the refining process is carefully monitored and controlled. Samples of the raw ore and the refined gold are taken at various stages of the process and analyzed to ensure that the right amount of gold has been extracted and that the final product is pure. Step 3. Purifying the gold bars. Purifying gold bars is an essential step in the crafting of high-quality gold products. The process involves removing impurities such as copper, silver, and other metals that may become mixed with the gold during the initial refining process. The goal is to produce a bar that is pure and of higher value than the original raw material. The purification process starts with the melting of the gold bars in a specialized furnace. The impurities will rise to the surface and can be skimmed off. The gold is then poured into a mold and allowed to cool and solidify. The newly formed bar is then tested to determine its purity. If necessary, the purification process can be repeated until the desired level of purity is achieved. One of the benefits of purifying gold bars is that it allows for the creation of high-value products that are used in various industries, including jewelry, electronics, and dental work. Purified gold bars are also often traded on the global market as a form of investment. This process of purifying gold bars is not only important for the production of high-quality gold products, but also the protection of consumers. By ensuring that gold products are pure and free of impurities, consumers can be confident in their purchase and the value of their investment. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give the video a like if you're loving the content. Step 4. Measuring and weighing. Measuring and weighing gold bars is an essential process in the crafting of high-quality precious metal bars. In the world of precious metals, accuracy is key, and it is essential to ensure that each bar is consistent in weight and size. The process of measuring and weighing starts with selecting the right equipment. Precision balances are used to measure the weight of the gold bars, and micrometers and calipers are used to measure their thickness. These instruments may be calibrated regularly to ensure that they are providing accurate readings. Once the gold bar has been cast and cooled, it is then weighed and measured for accuracy. If the bars meet the specifications for weight and size, it is then stamped with the manufacturer's mark and the weight and purity of the metal. This information serves as a guarantee of the quality of the gold bar. Step 5. Marking and assaying. The final step in the crafting process is to mark the gold bars with their weight, purity, and manufacturer. This is done using the process known as assaying, which involves using a special device to make an impression on the surface of the bar. Gold bars may also be assayed to verify their weight and purity. An assay is a chemical analysis of the metal to determine its composition and weight. The process is carried out by a qualified assayer and involves melting down a small sample of the bar to obtain a representative sample for analysis. The bars are then stored in secure vaults until they are ready to be sold or traded. 6. Certification and sale. Gold bars that have been marked and assayed are considered to be certified and are sold to investors and collectors all over the world. The bars are often stored in secure vaults and can be traded as a commodity, just like any other precious metal. And that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.